The luscious pineapples of Lakhipur in Kachar district of Assam are famous in the global market. Delicious pineapples from Lakhipur in Kachar district are exported to many countries worldwide. In the larger regions of Lakhipur constituencies such as Markulin, Phulertol, Rajbazar, etc., there are vast pineapple orchards. These pineapple gardens cover more than 1,500 hectares of land. Farmers cultivate pineapples twice a year on the high hill lands of Markulin near Phulertol. During the first session, millions of pineapples grew in the gardens of Markulin. Pineapples from these gardens in Lakhipur are exported to Dubai, a world-famous business hub. These pineapples are very sweet and delicious. Compared to other places, these pineapples have more amount of juice. This year, over 50,000 metric tons of pineapples have been produced in Lakhipur so far. Pineapples are cultivated on 1,500 hectares of land in Lakhipur. Nearly 30 villages in that constituency are completely dependent on pineapple farming. Although pineapples have not been exported to foreign markets this year, they have been exported to various states across this country. The majority of these have been exported to the capital of India, Delhi.
पूरा दुबई तक जाता है
लखीपुर का अनारस।
हाँ,
अच्छा, कितना साल में कितना प्रोडक्शन होता है?
ये साल में तो बहुत होता है, सिर्फ एक बागान नहीं है ना, बहुत है होगा।
कितना बागान होगा?
पूरा 200-300 का ऊपर में होगा बागान
यहाँ पे। तो सारे लोग इसी प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर ही निर्भर है।
हाँ,
आप कितने साल से प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं अनारस का?
ये कम से कम 10 साल से।
आप कर रहे हैं?
हाँ।
आपका फैमिली इसी से ही चल रहा है?
हाँ,
अच्छा, इसी साल बाहर भी गया है क्या?
हाँ, बाहर में सब जाता है,
कहाँ जाता है?
पूरा कर्नाटक जाता है और दिल्ली जाता है, नागालैंड जाता है और दुबई जाता है, सब जगह में जाता है।
Traders from various districts of Assam, different states of the country, and foreign countries flock to Markulin to buy these pineapples. Pineapples are loaded into trucks in front of each garden in Markulin, which are then transported to other states from morning till evening. Farmers in Lakhipur export pineapples through the Hamar Agro Organic Company.